Hi, Professor Breckeisen here, and this is Digital Cinema Pipeline YoYo Week 3 for the second class period that we missed. So let's go inside of Canvas. If you missed the first class as well, all that information's here. Please watch the video that's uploaded. It's configuring right now or rendering right now, so I haven't put it up, but watch it. It has some instruction for you for that day. So if you haven't done that already, please do. But now you're watching this video that should be down here. Well, it will be down here for you, but I'm making it right now, so that doesn't make any sense to be up here. And let's talk about what's down here in the second class meeting. Now, I'm not going to go in order for this because up here that you see the YoYo story pitches, I'm going to get to that in just a second. But what I am going to go over here is your Project 5 treatments. So this is the project that you're going to be working on for the end of this semester. You'll notice here this is due finals week. Now, this is not something that you're going to have to turn in this week. What I want you to do is every treatment that you create, you are going to bring to class and pitch or upload to the YoYos and pitch for the class to read, and you're going to respond. But you're going to keep them. You have to write them. You don't have to necessarily, you can use a video upload of this if you want, if you don't want to type it in. But if you want to just write it and copy paste, you can do that as well. What you need to do is you need to hold on to each one of these, all of the ones that are typed, because at the end of the semester you're going to turn a compilation in. So the way my classes work, I like to have a final project that you can take with you. So either something that you can put on your reel, something that you can put on your social media, or something that you're going to take to a future class to continue to work on as you're working on your thesis. That's what this class is all about. You're going to take these treatments, or at least be inspired by your treatments as you go into not production one, but into screenwriting. And when you're in screenwriting, you're going to start to now make your scripts that you're going to carry into production 2 and up to thesis. Some of these might even inspire you if you're in CIN130 right now, or if you're going to take that in the future, because you have to do a little bit of writing in there as well. So the goal here is to be a little bit inspired to do something different in your screenplays as you're moving forward. So what are you going to actually do? Well, each week from here on for a few more weeks, we're going to talk about one of these different things that we've talked about in the pipeline last week. We just talked about match moving. Next week's green screen. So in the match moving one, you're going to create a treatment. What is a treatment? A treatment is a small kind of play-by-play of the big points of a story. It's not every little detail. It's not all the backstories. It's not even dialogue. You want to only have dialogue if it's absolutely important. But it's going to be basically, if you're using a 3-act structure, 3 small paragraphs. And I mean small, like 4 sentences each for what's happening. Just the major points that are going to push us through that story. 2-act structure, then you're going to have 2 paragraphs. Something like that. I have an example down here of a treatment that we would have used for map painting. So you can read this on your own. If you're not really sure, if you want some examples, I've got this link down here for you. Now these are for, I think these are all going to be features. So there might be some shorts in there, but they're going to be features. So don't look at it and go, oh, I have to write these 8 pages, because they can get pretty long for feature length ones. Yours are going to be small. So what you're going to do is you are going to create a document, a Word or PDF document with all of your compilation, all of your treatments compiled onto it, and you're going to name it like this, and just simply come down here, hit reply, and then browse. You're going to see a little file button here and browse so that you can upload it. But this isn't until the end of the semester. So don't do this every week. Keep track of your treatments. So if we continue to do YoYos like this, where are you supposed to submit if we're not going to be submitting every week? That's when we come back here to week 3 YoYo, and here at the top we've got the YoYo story pitches. If you click on that, that's going to bring you to this page. Now here I give you an example of a video pitch. If you want to do a video pitch, I would prefer that you do the video pitches. I want to hear how you would tell the story. If I read the pitch, if I read the treatment, then I look at it how my brain would make it. But I want to hear how you do it. So here's an example of that one from the map painting example that you can watch and listen to as an example. So go ahead and read the instructions here. Once you're done posting, I want you to find someone else's pitch and then give them some commentary. The commentary I'm looking for is not to fix their story. We're not story developing right now. What I want you to do is I want you to listen to what they're saying and give them some advice or encouragement to be able to move forward with that idea as a potential thesis project. Now, what I'm looking for is not just, this is great, go forward with it and be awesome, but more like, oh, I see what you're doing here. This is what makes this cool. You said this a little bit, and I'm kind of worried like how you would actually do that. Put some thought into there because I think it might be more complicated, or maybe I don't understand how that works. Those kinds of commentaries to kind of help build each other, give each other ideas on how to do this. So where do you submit? If you come down here, you'll see that I have the weeks that we've missed opened up. All you need to do is click on reply. Let's say if it's week 4, we click reply. If you're going to attach a script, just come in here and paste it. You can copy and paste it from your Word document, but if you want to do the video, you can do it 2 ways. You can record your video and then upload it. So like if you want to use your phone or another, like a DSLR or something that you're using for your webcam, you can come in here and upload it, or you can record it straight from your computer. To do both of these, you need to click on this little button right here. It kind of looks like a YouTube button to me, but when you click on that, you're going to get the option to either record or upload. So if you've already recorded it, hit upload and then select video file and then navigate it to it like normal. And when you're done, you come over here and push post. Make sure that it uploads so that you can see it and you'll be good to go. If you want to record from your webcam, go to record media. Make sure that your mic is working. Mine's working because I'm seeing this move. But you need to make sure your webcam's on. Right now mine's not on because I'm using the DSLR for this video. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to turn on my camera from my computer. Hi, and now I can be able to do my pitch and let you know what this is all about. When you're done, you hit start. And when you're done, hit stop. When you come over here and push post, make sure that it's uploaded on there. If you want to refresh your page and double check that it's there, then you'd be good to go. So that's basically what you're going to do for those pitches. The last thing is you're going to continue your house research. So if you haven't watched this video yet, you should have from last week. Continue this because this is coming up due week 5. We're currently in week 3, so you have some a little bit more time to go with this, but don't procrastinate so that you make sure that you're doing a good job. And that's basically everything that we would have done today. We would have given our pitches, talked about the homework a little bit, and you would have been on your way. All right, we'll see you next week or back in the yo-yos if we're not back in class, and have a good week, and bye, Bamel.